Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I love natural sunlight, so for the first 16 years, I didn't have any curtains on this front window, but I decided to give these curtains a try by H.VERSAILTEX, and I love them so much. I purchased 4 panels for the 63 by 44 window because I wanted to be able to push them to the side so that the whole window is exposed and have the sides look nice and full. I decided to go with the pale oak, and the color is really beautiful. They really brighten up our dining room. These curtains are so soft and are really well made. They've held up great when washed and dried, and I love how easy the grommets help to slide them closed at night and open in the morning. They add such a beautiful detail to the curtains as well. I don't know why I went so long without curtains in this room. They look really nice, and I still get that beautiful natural sunlight. They really give our dining room an elegant feel, but that's just my point of view.